why the small trader, the small businessman is unhappy, and there was a lot of negativity for a little limited period. But after the Delhi meeting or the last GST meeting, lot of relief has been given. Like you must be knowing how much relief also an exemption was given even to exporters when their capital got blocked. Similarly, we will be taking steps as regards to the other issues because we basically believe close on the heels of demonetization and with GST coming, it was like a double shock. But this double shock was for strengthening of our economy in a positive manner, in tune with the world practices, in shoring up the white economy. Everyone knows that lot of transactions used to take place with cash. So to reduce that particular thing, both the steps, both very meaningful steps and big steps were taken by our country. Even the IMF president recently, when she was here, she said that there may be some disturbances or some disruptions temporarily, even going to the effect of impacting the GDP. But in the long run, in the medium run, this is going to take our economy far beyond, and then we, in terms of growth and actualizing the economic benefit to the common man as well as industry. So that is what we have to factor in. Whatever issues that are there before GST Council have been raised by me.
Correct.
And I can proudly say that it is not only Goa issues, but I have taken issues of the country. When I go to the GST Council, it is not just about Goa, it is about the entire country. In fact, one very important item which I am going to fight vehemently in the GST Council, which is impacting local art and theatre, that is the Atyats, our Nataks, they are impacted in a very big way.